Wait, how is this waterfall taller than Niagara and still so underrated? Welcome to Montmorency Falls, one of Canada's most breathtaking hidden gems. At 83 meters tall, it actually towers over Niagara Falls, and trust me, seeing it in person is even more incredible. The sound of the rushing water, the mist in the air, and those panoramic views from the suspension bridge, it's an experience you will never forget. So, if you are planning a trip to Quebec City, don't skip this magical stop. See you in my next one. Bye.